Hi there. So in this video we're looking at a faulty throttle body, and the symptoms you'll have is your stop-start will not work, it'll show an error on the dash, and your EPC and engine light will also be on. So if you check the fault memory, you'll always have the P155800 fault code, and occasionally you'll get the P029900 fault code if you've got the exact fault that I've got on this vehicle. And another symptom will be that you'll have little to no throttle response at all. So to remove the throttle body from the vehicle, we simply remove the airbox and the induction pipe from the vehicle. And all that holds the throttle body in place is the 3 T30 screws. Once those are out the way, we just have the connector plug and the throttle body is removed. As you can see there, I'm moving the intake flap with my hand and it stays where I leave it. What should happen, it should return to the closed position because there's a spring inside. So before we put the new throttle body on, we're just going to replace the seal so we don't get any air leaks afterwards. And you can see here on the new throttle body that the flap returns down to the rest position. So with the connector plug back on, we can just pop in the 3 screws. And then it's just a case of refitting the induction pipe and the airbox. So this is the throttle body. I'm just going to take it apart and show you how it's actually failed. All that holds this together are the spring clips around the edges of it. So with the clips all removed, the top does just pry off. And those 2 terminals there, that's what actually feeds the power into the motor for the throttle body in those 2 positions there. And what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to show you the actual spring that sits inside there. And you can see as I move the flap, the spring isn't moving, it's not turning with it. So to get a better view of this, I've actually taken the throttle body apart and I'm going to slide out the intake flap and that gear. And you can see there that the spring has snapped into 2 pieces. On other throttle bodies I've done, you can actually buy a repair kit and you can replace the toothed gears and you can replace the springs as well. I haven't been able to find a repair kit for this specific throttle body, so if anyone does know of one or come across one, if they can leave a comment in the description below, and I'll do a video on how to replace it and repair it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.